Our next Diedricksen Brothers hands-on tiny house and treehouse building workshops, Boston, Seattle, Omaha, and North Carolina. RelaxShacks.com. A little side note, while this isn't the focus, Carrie Ezel, who runs the Bungalow in the Boulders and the Atomic Trailer Ranch, Airbnb.com rentals in Joshua Tree. This is one of his new places, soon to be listed, the Adobe, he's calling it. And Van Halen used to ride horsebacks here and party here, this photographic proof. And the guy who used to own this owned Mr. Ed, the talking horse, of course. Do your thing, Marty.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, I'm taking a video here of you. Pretty cool. And this whole cabin is made of adobe. Can you say adobe? Such a simple idea. Great.
Great picture. You might share it?
Yeah, I'll share it.
I'll probably send you like
Look
a.
at this.
You have a Google account? I can send you on like Google Drive. It has like so purple.
I gotta get some shots of